Good morning, students. Last class we studied alkanes and alkenes. Today let me learn about the topic alkynes. The hydrocarbons containing carbon to carbon triple bond are called alkynes. Alkynes, that means carbon carbon triple bond, that compound are called alkynes. These alkanes compounds are also called unsaturated compounds because these alkanes compound contain triple bond between carbon atoms. The general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Have you understood? So alkynes, what is meant by alkynes? The hydrocarbons containing carbon to carbon triple bond are called alkynes. Alkynes compounds also known as unsaturated compounds. Why alkynes are called unsaturated compounds? Alkynes contain triple bond between carbon atoms. The general formula of alkynes CnH2n minus 2. The value of n starting from 2. Now listen, the general formula for alkyne CnH2n minus 2. The n value starting from 2. So n equal to 2. Now substitute n value C2H 2 into 2 minus 2. Therefore C2H 4 minus 2, 2. So the first simplest alkyne C2H2. Okay. So C2H2 name acetylene or ethane. Carbon 2, that compound name ethane. Okay. So the next second CnH2n minus 2. N value 3. N equal to 3. Substitute n value C3H 2 into 3 minus 2 equal C3H 2 3s are 6 minus 2 equal C3H 4. So carbon 3. So this compound name propyne. Propyne. So the next n value 4. CnH2n minus 2. N equal to 4. Everyone calculate now. C4H 2 into 4 minus 2. C4H 8 minus 2 equal C4H 6. So carbon 4, that compound name is bute. Okay. So this compound form triple bond. So that name is butane. Butane. Now see this tabular column. Carbon 2, that compound is ethane. Carbon 3, N equal to 3, compound name propyne. N equal to 4, butane. N equal to 5, pentane. See the ending letters, 3 letters, YNE. Ethane, YNE. propane, ending letters YNE, suffix, okay, butane. So these all the compounds are called alkyne. These all the compounds form triple bond. These all the compounds form triple bond. So these compounds are called alkyne. Thank you.